Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send voice note on Instagram. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To send a voice note on Instagram, you can simply open up your Instagram application first and make sure that you're logged in as well. From the main homepage of Instagram, go and tap on the messenger icon located at the top right hand corner. Go ahead and open up any conversation from your direct message inbox. Now, at the bottom right next to your message box, you'll be able to see a microphone icon. Tap on the microphone icon and speak your sentences that you would like to send as a voice note. After you are done, tap on the arrow pointing towards the upper side at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to send voice note on Instagram. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.